Okay, so rather than type everything out, I figured it'd be easier if I just show you guys the flow of reg now that we've added that PFS attendee role. So I'm just going to do a test registration. Okay, and select that new attendee role. Okay, it's going to ask me for that attendee role specific access code, PFS Summit 19. Click next. All right, I'm going to create my password. And I'm going to come in, select my company. So you guys can see here that all of those PFS companies have been added in here. Let's see, today I'm going to be from Arizona. Okay. All right, and then I'm just going to fill in some bogus information just to expedite this process. Okay, so just continuing some info. Right. Address, city. State. Okay. And then the required questions. These are not required, but I'll fill them in anyway. I'm not celebrating a special occasion. Okay, click next. Okay, this allows the group registration option. So I'm gonna fill them in there. And then I can select same attendee type. I have consent to register, add. Okay, oh, she's already registered because she's in a different attendee role. Okay, so let me so that lets me know Ellen already came in. Okay, add. Okay, so I've added Linda in my group. I can come back and remove her. If I make a mistake, I can remove her registration as well. Okay, so activity selection. So as of right now, this is an option. I can turn this off if you decide that this attendee role does not need to have access to the activities. And it looks like most of them are sold out anyway, so I will not be attending an activity. So if you guys want, we can just take this out altogether. Oh, Linda, I have to select my activity. I'm going to be in meetings anyway, so I cannot go to any activities. And then you'll see as part of my group, so I'm listed here, and it'll show others. It'll take me down to Linda's, and I can select hers as well. Okay, well, unfortunately, everything's sold out, but I'm not going to be put on the wait list. So continue. Survey questions. So again, based on the main registrant, which is myself, will I be attending? Yes. And then this is where I would put information for Linda. Yes, she's going to come with me. I will be here. Nope, she's not going to come to this event. And I will be going to both of those. Okay, the terms. I've read the terms. I agree. Okay, and then here's my registration summary. So just goes through everything I've completed, my questions. If I need to make changes, I can go back, but everything looks great. So I click next, and I have my registration acknowledgement, okay, which will also get emailed. But if I need to print it out, I can do that as well. And then if I need to click to the hotel, it will take me there as well. Okay, so that is the reg flow for the PFS OpCo attendee role. So if there's any changes, please don't hesitate to let me know. All right, thanks guys.